Have you ever considered how we can know precisely what makes up the air we breathe, the water we drink, or even the food we eat? The answer lies in a fascinating branch of science known as analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is the science of obtaining, processing, and communicating information about the composition and structure of matter. In other words, it's the way scientists determine the stuff that stuff is made of. It's like the detective of the scientific world, searching for clues and answers hidden within the very atoms and molecules that make up our universe. At its core, analytical chemistry involves two main types of analysis: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative analysis is all about identifying what the elements or substances are in a particular sample. It's the what part of the equation. On the other hand, quantitative analysis provides information about the relative amounts of those elements or substances. It's the how much part. Take a glass of seawater, for example. A qualitative analysis might reveal it contains sodium, chlorine, magnesium, and other elements. A quantitative analysis, on the other hand, would tell you exactly how much of each of those elements is present in the sample. Methods of analytical chemistry range from classical procedures, such as titration, which uses liquid solutions to conduct analysis, to modern instrumental methods like spectroscopy, which relies on interactions between matter and electromagnetic radiation. But why is analytical chemistry important, you might ask? Well, it plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, often without us even realizing it. It's used in medicine to understand the chemical composition and functioning of the human body, in environmental monitoring to detect pollution, in forensics to solve crimes, and even in the food industry to ensure our food is safe to eat. To wrap things up, analytical chemistry is the scientific detective, solving the mysteries of what substances are and how much of them exist in our world. It's the qualitative and quantitative analysis, using methods ranging from classic titration to modern spectroscopy. And it's essential in many fields, from medicine and environment to forensics and food safety. And while analytical chemistry might seem complicated, at its heart, it's simply about understanding the world around us, right down to the very atoms and molecules that make it up. So next time you take a breath of air, sip of water, or bite of food, remember the detective work that goes into understanding what's really in the stuff we interact with every day.